What's up, guys? This is Will of Will's Gadgets and More, back with another video. So the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is in the building, man. I'm excited about this. I always like to get new tech, and this time around, I picked up the S22 Ultra. Now, normally I'll skip over the S line of Samsung devices. Just never was interested in them. I always picked up the Note series, but this time they have kind of combined them both in the same, as a lot of people saying this is the Note, and they just call it the S22. So anyway, I always like having the S Pen that went inside of the phone, and that's what this is offering. So glad to pick it up. Also, I ordered the Tab S8 Ultra. It is back ordered right now, or on delay, as they say. They did send me the book cover keyboard, so I have this on deck just waiting on my tablets to get here. So a few of the specs on this before we unbox this. This weighs 228 grams. This has an aluminum frame. This has Gorilla Glass Victus Plus on the front and the back of it. It is IP68 dust water resistant. This has a stylus that is 2.8 milliseconds of latency and Bluetooth integrated. Now, the display on this is 6.8 inches, 1440 by 38.8 dynamic AMOLED display. Goes up to 120 hertz on the refresh rate, HDR10 plus, 500 ppi, and a great thing about this, it is 1750 nits of brightness. So this is going to get very bright. The screen to body ratio on this is 90.2%. And it also features a under-display fingerprint sensor. Now the battery on this is a 5,000 milliamp hour battery, fast charging, 45 watt. This also features reverse wireless charging, 4.5 watts, and USB power delivery 3.0. The speakers on this are tuned by AKG. They're stereo speakers. This is going to be running Android 12, One UI 4.1. This features the Qualcomm SM8450 Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor. The device that I have has 12 gigabytes of RAM, 256 gigabytes of storage, but you can also get this in lower storage, and you can get it also in lower RAM, also more RAM as well. Now the cameras on this are dope. You're going to have 108 megapixel rear-facing camera, f1.8 wide angle. You're also going to have a 10 megapixel f4.9 periscope telescope lens. You're also going to have a 10 megapixel f2.4 telephoto lens, and the last lens on the back is going to be a 12 megapixel f2.2. Now this is going to be capable of shooting an 8K video at 24 frames per second. The front-facing camera is going to be a 40 megapixel f2.2 wide angle. It's capable of shooting 4K at 60 frames per second. So I wanted to read off some of those specs on this before we dive into it. So let me get the unboxing knife and let's get this open. So here's the box. You guys see it's got Samsung on the side of it there. Galaxy S22 Ultra on that side. And then on the back, you're going to have some of your specs here. And that is pretty much it. A thin box, we know why, so not going to go into that. This time around, they do have the tape. Sometimes they put the little peel stickers. This time they got the tape. So here is the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. And whoo, straight off the bat, it feels like my Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra that I had. I'm going to put it over to the side. Feels very good in the hands so far. Let's see what else we get in the box, man. I know we're getting a lot of stuff in here, so let's see, guys. So we're going to get our quick start guide in here. If I can get the light right on that. There it is. And you're going to get your light USB-C to USB-C. About to say lightning. I don't know where that came from. All right, so we're going to get this stuff over to the side. That is all in the box, man. So here it is. Now, I picked up the black one I've had white. I had the white Note 20 Ultra. I think I had several different colors, but I decided to get the black this time, and I am definitely not disappointed with this. So it's kind of, let's go ahead and get the stickers off. So there's that one sticker. And then they have a sticker on the front of it too. It's not a screen protector, but there it is. And here's the device here. So on the bottom of it, there's some tape here. Look like some tape there. Maybe I'm wrong. Anyway, on the bottom, you're going to have your SIM card tray, your Type-C charging port. You're going to have your speaker and your S Pen. So I'm glad I picked up the black one. Here's the S Pen, as you guys see. Very nice. Now, so on some models, the tip of it is going to be the same color as the pen. If you have a green one, then it's going to be green, but this is black, so that's all cool. Aluminum frame going around the back, outside of it. You got a microphone up here at the top. This side, you got your volume up and down and your power button. And I'm assuming this is some kind of a, this is for like your antenna band there or something right there. Then on the back of it, you got your camera right here. That's all of your cameras there. And you got your flash there. You got Samsung logo at the bottom. And this is beautiful. So it has like a chrome appearance going around the edges of the camera. And you also have a glossy appearance here on the, I always thinking I'm feeling some plastic there, but I don't know if that's sure if that's plastic on there. I think there is some plastic here, guys. Yeah, there's some plastic here that I'm going to have to get off of the device here. So there it is, yeah. So there was a piece of plastic there. So glossy around the edges of it. I'll get the rest of this plastic off after I boot it up. But yeah, man, this glossy back, this frost matte black on the back of it with the chrome going around the cameras and the glossy sides is dope. Let's see if we got any power here. There it is. So while this boots up, I'm going to go ahead and put my information in, and then we'll come back and take a look at it. Okay, guys, so we're back in. This is the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. I got my information in. I haven't added any apps. I didn't do a backup from another device, anything like that. This is the wallpaper that came out of the box right here. You do have your Google Discovery feed over here. Now you can change this to Samsung free, I think. Let's go into empty space here. So you're able to change that to Samsung free or Google Discovery. I'm definitely going to change the buttons down here to the swipe gestures and get rid of that. Let's look at a few more of the wallpapers here as well. So that is what you get out of the box. Let's go to wallpapers. So you got different other wallpapers in here. Different wallpapers here, guys. So you got video wallpapers, different ones. I think I'm going to go with this one here just for now. Give it a little different look. So set it for home and go back out. So this is another wallpaper here. If you go up, stroll up, this is everything that came installed on it. So you got tips, Spotify, YouTube Music. You're going to have Netflix already on here. Facebook look like it. You're going to have your Samsung apps there and your Google stuff there as well. So not a whole lot of stuff as far as apps. You stroll down here. This is your drop down menu. Quick toggles here. You're going to have stuff like power saving, link to Windows, Dex is on here, eye comfort, shield, dark mode, things like that. And also you're going to have your device control and media control. Go into the settings. So here are the settings. Just look at a few things here. I want to see how much storage is being used out of the box. I haven't put any apps on here. So out of the box, I got 217 gigabytes available, and it's using 38 gigabytes out of the box. So that is quite a bit, man. Go to About Phone. Let's go to software information. So out of the box, it is on 4 Android UI version 4.1, Android 12, Google Play system update, September 1st, 2021. And the security patch is January the 1st, 2022. So up on that, software update available here. We'll try this and see. Your software is up to date. So that is pretty much it as far as what I'm going to get into on this video. Still feels pretty speedy. The fingerprint sensor I did set up, and it seems to be working great. Right there, very fast. And I didn't do Face ID or anything. I did get all of that plastic that was on here. There was little strips of plastic on there that you have to be mindful of. So let's do a little quick size comparison. Here it is next to the iPhone 13 Pro. This guys see it just dwarfs it's way taller than the iPhone, quite a bit wider as well. And just as the iPhone's a little thicker, so that is it. That's the iPhone 13 Pro. Let's take a look at it against the Google Pixel 6 Pro. So here it is. These are pretty much the same height. Going to be pretty much the same thickness probably. The Samsung may be a little bit thicker at the top. And then the same width as well. Pretty much the same width. The Samsung may be a little bit wider, but that is it. And there's the two displays there, 6.8, 6.8. And this one gets pretty bright. I had to lower the brightness down on it. That 1750 nits is bright, man. This is still one of my favorite devices here. And then the device that I'm going to be sending it in, that I'm trading in for this device, the Z Fold 3, man. I'm still mixed feelings about that because I love the Z Fold 3, but you can just see how much more wider the display, the front display here is right there. And then with this folded, of course, it's going to be a whole lot wider. The Z Fold 3 is definitely going to be thicker, of course. Here's the back of them. You look at the different camera arrays there, and then, of course, when you open this dude up, this is one of the reasons I don't want to get rid of it. That massive display there, 7.6 inch, which is gorgeous, man. This phone feels great in the hand, man. The S22 Ultra feels great. So yeah, man, that is my look at this unboxing, long unboxing, and a little size comparison with these other devices here. But I got case reviews coming, all kind of videos planned for this device as well. So catch you guys in the next video, Wheels, Gadgets, and More. I'm out.